Well, it's 4th of July weekend and we're gonna go out down to the cities and visit a grandparents. Here we go. Looking forward to this weekend. Happy Independence Day. Well, we are at our destination here and it is a beautiful day. Let's go see what they're up to. Some tractors. Cleaning out the barn. What you guys doing?
Spraying the sawdust for the cows to lay on.
Ah. So what's this for?
Well, I'm just scooping. Well,
Oh, good idea. Yeah, let's level that out. So, this is what we're doing today. Friday before the 4th of July. Having a good time. Here's Grandma's garden. See a strawberry. Not gonna let that one go to waste.
Putt Putt.
We're gonna drive on the Putt Putt?
Yeah.
All right. Fancy. Okay.
Start this thing.
Whoa. Look at that. That really took off. Little sunset? That's a nice sunset. Putt, 5 miles an hour in my international harvester. Oh, good job. Put the keys on.
Yeah. Pause it.
There we go.
Oh, turn it off.
Where'd it go? Who put that in there? Thankfully we got a repair kit here. And we're gonna put this sticky strip in there. So we'll be good to go. No more leaks. You got some deer. Some big antlers. Got some bees here. And then this beauty. What do you think of that thing?
Good.
So we made a little pit stop here. And we're just gonna check out some cool equipment. Hop in there, buddy. It's so hot in here. Nice combine though.
Let's see if the other ones are open.
Whew. It's gotta be over 100 degrees in there. Which loader do I want? Got a little nest in there.
Yeah. Beep beep. Hot dog. I don't know. It's on the back.
Ah, it's on the back.
Yeah, that's how you get on the back.
Ah. Full heart.
I don't want
Okay. Everybody needs one of these massive things. Whew.
Oh yeah. So old right there.
2 steering wheels. How do they do that? That's
See
pretty
the
cool.
art truck.
It's a big garbage truck of some kind. All right, let's go, buddy. We're gonna get some of the activities, the festivities going by going on a trip. A trip with luggage to make some boom noises. Started off right in celebration of 4th of July. This looks like a pretty good spot. You already got your hearing protection on?
Yes.
Just slide this down. There. Instantly have a target. And tannerite. Maybe 50 yards, 75 yards to the trees. So it's a pretty good distance to hit. All right, let's get back to setting up the targets with this guy. A little P22. Oh, I shot just above it the first shot. All right, we got the tannerite on top of the target. The AR-10 to try to knock it off. I got open sights, but it should be good. Let's see if I can hit it. There we go. Oh yeah. Got it. Target's still pretty good condition. Even this is holding up good. This is a T-post holder. Target holder. So there you go. 25 yards. 308 caliber meatball. Hitting it. It just stays right in there. Let's see what happened over here. Definitely hit the post a couple times. I think I got a hole here in the belt. I did hit the target a couple times though. Still working good. And then the crater.